Hey everyone, it's Olga here and welcome to my channel. Today I decided I'd clean my Dyson vacuum, namely its filter and the bin. So without any further ramble, let's get started. The model that I have here is Dyson V11 Animal, and I have had it for a little over a year, and I'm planning to film a full video review on it. So if it is something you're interested to see, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss this one. I have to be honest with you and say that I have never cleaned this one properly. The only thing that I do is emptying the bin when it's full. They say that you're supposed to clean the filter once a month. I had this vacuum for over a year. I did attempt to clean it once, sort of, because the filter light was flashing, indicating that it needs to be cleaned. So what I did, I sort of scrubbed off all the debris of the filter with my fingers and put it back on. I never washed it under the running water as it's supposed to be done. I just really don't like to do things like this, but it's supposed to be done, isn't it? So today is the day. Let's do it. Clean filter is supposed to ensure that the machine is performing at its best, and I am really curious to see if I notice any difference once it's nice and clean. I would normally do stuff like that over the trash bin, but I don't think it would be very eye-pleasing, so I brought this piece of paper here with me, and yeah, this is how I'll do it. Okay, so I'm going to remove the filter now. This is pretty easy. As you can see, it's full of debris. It's gonna be quite satisfying to clean this one. So I'm going to remove all this debris just like this, using my fingers. This is not exactly how they do it in Dyson's instruction video, but also their filter looks really clean comparing to mine, so I'm kind of improvising here. So I would suggest you to watch Dyson's instructions first if you are thinking about cleaning yours. This is what it looks like now. I've just washed my hands so I could take my camera and show you how much dirt came out of the filter. And I'm going to proceed with the step number 2, which is washing this one under the water. I'm going to wash it under the cold water now. Here in Texas, water is never really icy cold, as it can be in other places. It's usually lukewarm. It's definitely not like cold. Interestingly, I thought that the water will come out really gray and nasty, but it is not the case. And it seems to be cleaning real fast, which is impressive, Dyson. And I have to tell you that the process is really easy, just like they tell you on Dyson's website. Okay, so that was surprisingly easy. I don't know why I am so surprised, actually. It's Dyson after all, and I trust this brand, but yeah, I'm really impressed by this. The whole process took me like 5 minutes max. Really fast and really easy. If everything goes well, I am definitely going to clean it more often than once a year, that's for sure. I'm speaking as a person who doesn't like doing chores. This is easy. and I'm willing to do it often enough now. Okay, so I left the filter to dry by the fan. I think that there was a fan in Dyson's video, so I thought, why not? I will leave it by the fan as well. Now I have to wait 24 hours for it to dry. Now it's time to clean the bin, and it is not something that I'm very excited about. It's very dusty, and it will definitely take longer. At least this is what I think right now. But it needs to be done, so let's do it. How do we do it? Well, that was easy. The bin is really dusty and nasty, as it should be after a year of not being cleaned. Also, in the Dyson's video, they used some kind of cloth to clean it. I don't have one, so I'm using paper towels. It doesn't look all that bad, though. It does have a lot of stuff stuck in there. Let me see how I can get it out. I'll use a Q-tip. It doesn't really do the job, but it does something. Look at the amount of dirt here. I think it looks much better now. I honestly imagined that my paper towel will turn black, but nope. Doesn't look all that bad. This is definitely dirty though. Okay, I don't really have to do anything else aside of wiping it, which I will do once again with a clean paper towel, just because my bin was so dusty. Okay, I think I'm done here. I wasn't able to clean the dust beneath the plastic here, simply because I wasn't able to get in there. But I suppose it's okay, as long as the whole bin is clean enough, right? I think that I will also give this one a quick dust as well, because it collected a lot of it. Okay, so the whole process was very easy and rather fast. I think that it took me under 20 minutes, which is a good timing for a chore like that one. The filter was definitely faster to clean than the bin, being that I had to use paper towels on that one as an opposite of water, which is fine because it was still very easy and not time consuming. I'm going to check in with you tomorrow when the filter is dry, and I'm going to test my vacuum cleaner to see if it performs any better or worse. I definitely hope I didn't break anything by accident. 24 hours later, it's time to assemble everything back. I will start with the bin. I honestly do not remember how you put it on. He got scared. Okay, hopefully I reinstalled it correctly. It's time to get the filter. I propped it here on my pottery barn basket, so the air from the fan hits it. It's been 24 hours, it feels dry. This is what the filter looks like after rinsing and drying. It looks pretty clean to me. Definitely much better than what it used to be. Okay, let's put it back on. Oh god, there is so much dust in here, I didn't think about it. Let me take care of it. I brought a paper towel and I will just try to remove the rest of the dust. Okay, it looks good enough. Let's put it back on. Okay, it snapped back on pretty easily. As you can see, the filter light stopped flashing, which means that it's ready to be used again. Here comes the crucial moment where I'm going to vacuum after cleaning the filter for the first time in a year. I wonder if I'll notice any difference in its performance. Okay, I have just finished vacuuming this room and I have to say that I definitely noticed a big difference. First of all, the suction has improved dramatically. I could feel that its grease on the carpet got much stronger. And another thing that I noticed is that the dust smell disappeared. I'm talking about that smell that you often get when you vacuum with a vacuum cleaner that has a dust bag. In past couple of months I noticed that it started to produce that kind of smell, but it disappeared completely after I cleaned the filter. I didn't smell anything at all today, which is great, and it showed to me once again the importance of keeping the filter nice and clean. Another thing that I noticed that the airflow from the filter got much stronger as well, which is really nice, I suppose. Also, I forgot to mention that the noise got quieter as well, which is always nice. I'm definitely going to clean this filter more often now, not only because it's so fast and easy, but also because I noticed a huge difference in my machine's performance. Cleaning it once a year is definitely extreme and I do not recommend it. With all that being said, I hope you found this video useful, or maybe you got motivated to clean your Dyson's filter as well. If so, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I'm planning to film a full video review of my Dyson V11 Animal. So if it is something that you're interested in, stick around. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.